Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by physically connecting the phone to the PC with a good USB cable and unlocking the device. On Android, open Settings and enable USB tethering. On iPhone, enable Personal Hotspot, then trust the computer when prompted. Once done, watch for the PC to recognize a new network interface. This is how traffic will route. Make sure mobile data is on and you have signal. Without cellular data, tethering only creates a local link, not internet access. Once the phone is connected, go to your PC's network settings and locate the new USB or Ethernet adapter. You want the adapter set to obtain IP automatically via DHCP unless you deliberately use a static IP. This simplifies routing and DNS. If the PC still prefers Wi-Fi, disable that adapter temporarily so traffic flows through the phone. Make sure firewall rules allow the new adapter, and that the phone's hotspot settings permit tethering connections to route DNS and internet traffic. Now you test the connection. Open a browser or ping 8 to confirm internet access. If pages don't load, first toggle USB tethering off and on and reconnect the cable. This often resets the link. Make sure the phone trusts the PC and that mobile data hasn't been disabled by low data mode or carrier blocks. Some plans restrict tethering. If problems persist, reboot both devices and check for driver updates on the PC. Contact your carrier only after ruling out local configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.